All right, so my team here actually blindfolded me and kind of sat me down here. I have no idea what we're reviewing today. Are you kidding me? Please tell me what this is. It's Vector? Yes! Okay, what's up everybody and welcome to an all new episode of Conflicts. I am actually really thrilled to go ahead and unbox. This here is the all new Vector by Anki. That is right, the all new superstar from Kickstarter, the autonomous robot version of Cozmo. Actually, we got all 4 Cozmos here, or the custom Cozmo and all other 3. And it's literally a Cozmo on steroids. Now, in this episode here, we'll go ahead and unbox this video and kind of see what this whole robot's about, including what's included. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and make a few other episodes where we're gonna go ahead and try out Vector and kind of see how it compares to Cozmo, as well as the different kind of features. So be sure to check it out below as well. And then from my understanding, we're gonna be giving away a free Vector too. Yeah, all right, sweet. So we'll be giving away a free Vector as well. So check out down below how you can win one, and be sure to like and subscribe to this video as well. And yeah, so let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what it's all about. All right, so this here's the box that it comes with. It's actually a small size box, and then just kind of opens up just like that. And we get ourselves our Vector as well as a card. Thank you for being part of the Vectors Inside Club. So this is what you get in case, you know, if you do support them on Kickstarter. So that's very nice. Now this here is our packaging, so sweet. Check that out. So it shows Vector right here on the cover. Very sophisticated kind of box look, kind of feel to it as well. And then as you kind of rotate it, you see a few different things. It looks like Vector's greeting you, and it looks like you're talking to Vector. Shows like a graph. Shows the weather on the side as well. Now it says, say hey to Vector, your first home robot. And then it talks about a little more in terms of like what it can do, how it updates self-updates, and it works with the cloud, stuff like that. And on the side here, that it's voice activated, and what's included is a Vector robot, a cube, and a charger. What you need is a Wi-Fi network, as well as a USB power adapter. So let's go and slide this off. And then we have ourselves another box. So this one says Vector and it says Anki on the top here. And this will go ahead and kind of just slide like that and just open up just like that. So there is Vector. Whoa, that thing looks really cool. It's got like this almost like volcano kind of rock kind of feel to it. It's got a very nice texture. And then here is our lovely Vector. Wow, very slick design. He's got that nice black and gold finish. Definitely a very like mature, sophisticated look. It's got a lot of shiny pieces on here, and I can actually feel that it weighs a lot more than Cozmo. So, you know, it does have a lot of technology in a small package. Now, other than that, looks like we have ourselves a charging, this here is the charging station, or the home of Vector. So he's capable of going back to his own home as well and charge on his own. Actually a different design compared to Cozmo. This here has like almost like an L shape to it as well. So definitely a very nice touch. And then we have ourselves a cube. Only 1 cube. Interesting, so Vector only comes with 1 cube versus Cozmo that has 3 cubes. Again, this here is not really much of a toy as Cozmo is, more or less a robot pet or robot companion. So definitely a very nice looking cube. You have yourselves a pull-out tab, so let's go and pull that out in the meantime. There we go. We'll see the LED start blinking on the top here, saying that it is ready to go. So we'll put that back in as well, and that's about it in terms of that. And then on the side, we have a little pull-out sheet. So this here appears to be a user manual. Yes, it is. So you have a quick start guide in here in a variety of different languages, explaining step by step how to go ahead and set this up, download the app, and in terms of what other functionalities there are. So, talking about vector, so on the top here we have a power button. So you'll see 3 LEDs on here indicating like looks like it might be the battery life as well. We have 4 little dots on the top. These here are microphones. And then over here we have a touch sensor, which is this gold portion on the top. On the front he has an HD camera allowing him to see you as well as recognize you. And then on the bottom he has an infrared laser sensor allowing him to see different obstacles as he moves. So, you know, he actually has a lot of different things going on there. Now, the way he works is simply you talk to him by saying, hey Vector, and then you say, you know, what's the weather? It'll showcase it on the screen, etc. and stuff like that. So that's about it in terms of what comes with the packaging. So, you know, it's actually a very simple design in terms of the concept goes as well as what it comes with, and definitely really excited to go ahead and set it up. So be sure to check out episode 2 as we go ahead and set up our Vector and as well as try him out. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, feel free to give it a comment down below as well as a thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down. Either way, be sure to subscribe and share with your friends for more videos. With that being said, we'll see you guys next time. Take care now. Bye-bye.